Those are just 19mm caps. Now 19mm lug nuts. Spraying it down. Getting some light. So the outer tie rod is a 18mm. First I want to loosen up this nut. If I don't have to cut it off, I really don't want to. Now, you want to spin this one to the right. Oh, like that. Because you want it to go back. Good enough. Like I said, it's going to be an 18mm. Let's break it loose. Okay. Now, the center, or the bolt I should say, is a 8mm bolt head. So we got to hold on to that while we do this. I'm gonna get an 8. I wish I had if you have a 3/8, it'd be a lot better. Because these quarter ratchets are just really dig into you. I'm gonna give it some help. Spray it down again. Okay, now we gave it the old college try. Now we're going to do it my way. Yeah, we're not going to save any of this anyways. So we're going to take our grind wheel, or what's left of my grind wheel, definitely need a new one, and get rid of it. See, so much faster. So much faster. All right, so to take this off, this is why I didn't want to cut it off. I want to get it as close as I can, alignment for the customer, so they can, take their time and go have the front end alignment done. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 20. If I'm looking now. To make this quicker, take that off. There we go. Now on top of the inner tie rod is a little green or blue plastic sleeve or rubber sleeve. I don't know what it is. Really don't even know what it does, but you got to get that off. So just by taking the top with a flathead screwdriver, giving it a couple whacks, you can get underneath it and move it. Push that back. Now, it's my second one. After a couple years of using these, finally died. And I use them very regularly too, so that's pretty awesome. Although they doubled in price, but they're still worth every penny. Okay, so we got a bunch of 1/2-inch extensions. Okay, and that's all it takes. All right, so that's how that works. We'll set this to the side. I'm not gonna put the new one on right now, just because I wanna get this stabilizer bar link out of the way first. The other one, I just had to cut off. So let's just hope this ain't the case with this one. It's a 13 millimeter from the factory, 14 aftermarket. Okay, see if I can get it moving. Awesome. All right, so it looks like that. So I'll just, maybe I can hold it with this. The other one I just cut off. It was, most of it was missing anyways and broke. And it's just trial and error, people. I don't even know if this is gonna work. Okay, so I don't exactly know what it's for, or not what it's for, but I don't exactly know how to get that off. So I'm just gonna do like I did last time. Go. Okay, good. I did not get the boot. Awesome. That works. Good deal. See, this is the problem not having a lift. You really can't, really, there's not too many, you don't really have that many options. Try it out. There, we're done. Yeah, when you want to do things the proper way, I guess, but sometimes you just don't have that option. Okay. In case you're going to take curved washer, seat that down, bring it up through here, take another one. Like that. You're gonna take this another washer, slide it down on top of that. Perfect. Sleeve. Another one facing up. We're gonna poke that through. Another one of these facing downwards. Okay. Now it's probably not gonna be you know, be long enough, but that's okay. So what we're going to do is take your jack and we're gonna move it up into place. Push up on the lower control arm. Like so. Okay. Get your hammer. Put the last cap on. Like I said, you wanna and then put your nut on top. Now, as I stated, the new one is a 14 millimeter. We're gonna need this and that. So lock that in. While driving this down. There you go, it's tight enough for right now. Jack out of the way. Now put the speed sensor back. Grab the new tie rod. Okay. Get that out of the way. Put that weird looking sleeve back over. Fortunately, the boot's torn, but we do not have another one. And no one wanted to pay for a new one, so we put this one back. Don't yell at me, it's not my choice. Lock that in. Oh, but anything's gonna be better than what it was. There we go. And what we can kind of do is kind of check out and see if we could tell if it's straight or not. Which looks pretty straight. And it wasn't 100% anyways when brought it here, so put the castle nut on. Once you take this up, put in your cotter pin, and that's how you change the tie rods and stabilize the bar links all in the fastest way possible, just cutting them up, cutting them off, and getting the job done.